Trigger warning, even though spring is here, it might bring back memories of winters. I locked myself in hibernation as an escape mechanism. The blinds always blinding me from the outside world, the light bills adding digits in front of others in a meaningless fashion. The radiator always turned to the dial 5, but that was the only warmth I had in life. And God forbid a girl needs to step out once in a while. I suffocated under layers of anger and disappointment and a slightly oversized red puffer jacket. I've waited for spring and I've waited for love, and the wait felt like a lifetime. The impatient me checking every second how long before it gets better, as uncertainty ate me alive. It comes to you when you least expect. It comes to you when you least expect. I repeated the affirmation as if it would make things better. And then it happened. Without a noise or a whisper, without a hint or a hunch, when my cactus was about to give up, the blinds were up and the sunlight was in. I was wrapped in love so tightly, I finally felt at ease. The daisies started blooming in the backyard, red tulips and yellow roses traveled from Tesco to my room. I no longer needed layers of pretense and protection. With him, I wore the softest shade of pastels and floral patterns as I ran across the park like a kid, pointing at flowers and cherry blossoms, noticing the colors of sunset like a novelty I'm seeing for the very first time. Excitement made home in me and I was smiling. My vitamin D levels were improving. I wonder if it is because now he reminds me to take my supplements or because of the bright sun. I wonder if the life feels beautiful because the chlorophyll is finally turning grays into greens or because he is in it. I wonder if I love spring because that's when I found him, or I love him because spring finally urged me to open my heart. If love was a season, he'll always be my spring, the warmth to my soul, the aesthetic beauty to my creative mind, the happiness to my spirit. And I will forever write for him poetries and create art as if his presence isn't already the best inspiration I have in life. Thank you.